been a great pool season, but it's time to shut things down. There are many multifunctional Aqua Chem products that help you prepare your pool for the off-season, which can save you a lot of time and money, making all the difference between an easy opening and a messy nightmare next year. Proper winterizing will help keep your pool water looking its best all winter long by inhibiting the growth of algae and bacteria and creating sparkling water for your next pool opening. The first step in the pool closing procedure is to make sure that your pH, total alkalinity, and calcium hardness are all balanced by testing the pool water with Aqua Chem 6-way test strips. Be sure to enter your test results using Aqua Chem brand's free, fast, and accurate water analysis tool at aquachem.com. Get a personalized pool water analysis, dosing recommendations, step-by-step instructions, and a shopping list of products for balancing the pool water. Based on your water testing results, you may need to adjust pH, alkalinity, total hardness, stabilizer, and chlorine as recommended. Second, you'll want to clean the pool by removing any debris. Be sure to brush thoroughly and vacuum the pool. Skim the top of the water to remove any excess floating debris. Keeping debris out of your pool is an important part of this process. Third, clean your filter using Aqua Chem Filter Cleaner to remove oily film and scale from your filter media. Simply follow the recommended cleaning regimen for optimal filtration and water clarity. Next, add a granular shock treatment such as Aqua Chem Shock Extra Blue according to label instructions. Add 1 pound per 6,000 gallons directly into the deepest pool area while filter and pump are operating. There is no need to pre-dissolve. Do not apply through skimmer or chemical feeder. Operate pump and filter continuously for 4 to 8 hours after product addition. After adding a shock, be sure to add a preventative algicide like Aqua Chem Algae Control according to label instructions. Add 32 fluid ounces per 12,500 gallons along pool edges and allow filter and pump to operate for 2 to 4 hours. Finally, follow recommended water draining and covering procedures appropriate to weather conditions in your area. A partial drain may be necessary depending on seasonal demands. Appropriately winterize any additional equipment per your pool manufacturer's directions. Following our easy maintenance tips for closing your pool means less work and reduced maintenance costs in the spring. Look for all of your Aqua Chem products at your local retailer. Everything you need is there to make your pool sparkle and shine all season long and help protect your pool during the winter. If you need additional help with your maintenance routine or proper steps to treat common pool problems, check out our other videos at aquachem.com.